Flash flood warning.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Morris County in northern New Jersey, north central Somerset County in northern New Jersey, until 7:15 p.m. At 3:13 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Morristown, Madison, Florham Park, East Hanover, Morris Plains, Mendham, Peapeck and Gladstone, Fart Hills, Bernardsville, and Hanover Township. This includes the following highways: Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 31 and 41. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 45 and 48. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The following is a flood watch statement.